Stewy, Emery, Robin, and Mark are in Ibiza, Spain for day 9 of our Rome to Barcelona cruise. We toured Dalt Vila, the ancient walled old town, and then headed back to the ship early as we wanted to spend our last day of the cruise enjoying the wonderful amenities of the beautiful Prima. We had a wonderful lunch in the Indulge Food Hall, and Emery found out what not to do at the self-serve Hydrate wine and beer kiosk. Before dinner, we turned in some hot laps as we raced around the go-kart track on the very top decks high above the water. Guess who the winner was? All aboard time was 6:30 p.m. and we headed up to the observation lounge for cocktails and the twilight views as we sailed away from Ibiza. Dinner was at the Palomar seafood restaurant, and it was a fitting close to our amazing trip on the Prima from Rome to Barcelona. Join us today on our adventure as we explore Ibiza, Spain, and our favorite NCL ship. The Ibiza cruise port, known as Port de Visa, is a popular destination for cruise ships. Because of our size, the Prima docked at the entrance to the harbor next to the Botafoc Lighthouse. The dock is about a 10 to 15 minute drive from Ibiza town. From the port, you can easily access the Old Town Dalt Vila, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, as well as numerous shops, restaurants, and beaches.
In Ibiza. Okay, good.
There are shuttle buses and taxis available, and a city boat service that runs every 15 minutes. The Marina in Ibiza town has hundreds of yachts bobbing in the Mediterranean Sea, with a host of restaurants, boutiques, trendy bars, and a variety of hotels overlooking the harbor. Dalt Vila, Ibiza's fortified old town, was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999 and is known for its rich history and stunning views. The main entrance, Portal de Taules, is a majestic gateway built between 1584 and 1585. This entrance features a stone drawbridge and is flanked by 2 headless Roman statues, leading us into the ancient cobblestone courtyard.
Look at these gates, Mark. Seriously. This has got to be real, original.
Perfecto.
Yeah. How many battering rams have been pounding on those over the centuries?
Wow, look at this.
These are a little slippery.
Together, Dalt Vila and Portal de Taules offers a captivating glimpse into Ibiza's past, blending historical architecture with breathtaking scenery.
They built on top of the existing rocks.
They do that.
Just kind of get it evened out, get it plumb and the level, they're good to go. So what a difference. It's like Greece inside here or something, like Santorini.
In my front pocket.
Okay.
I love the laundry. I love the laundry.
That's a very pretty dress. Look how pretty for the little girls. Ugh, so pretty.
Water fountain, so you can just get a drink right here.
Yeah. Yeah. This one looks like one you just push, the modern kind.
Yeah, modern.
How cool this is.
Very cool.
Little streets.
Like a kind of pulley system or something.
There's something that smells really good. Some cooking going on.
Stewy's hungry. It's like a little museum down there. See, from inside, I think.
Yep. And they have stood
Yeah,
up.
right.
Look at
That's
this.
a
Yep.
catapult. But imagine what 1,000 years ago, 2000, none of this was here. This
Yeah.
was it.
I know.
Now here's why you have a little tiny car. Look at this.
Frank Sinatra playing.
Están todas. ¿Regalan algo?
Oops. No. I have though.
Huh?
Clunked the camera on things.
Oh, is that what that noise
no,
was?
it was me running into a little mannequin.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. That's from World War II, it looks like.
Look, he's stopping right there. Let's go grab him. Go grab him real quick if you can.
So I want to see that other place where you order with the iPad.
Oh, okay. Indulge.
Yeah. This is really nice in here, isn't it? Coco's, this is dessert. All the desserts. So there's all these different themes here. Smokehouse.
You can dine outside, that's nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
What is that hydrate?
That's the wine tap and beer taps. We gotta check that out.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You just get your own?
Yeah, you get your own. Stewy tip, or Emery tip now. Don't put your card on the wrong one. We did wine, and I didn't even have a cup ready. Then the thing was starting to run out, just goes by seconds. So I ran over here, and it doesn't work. So we're gonna do this all over again. So here we go. Emery wants to have a beer. I like this. Hold on, maybe it's this way. Oh yeah, authorizing, okay. All right, okay, 12 seconds. What? No way. So it's not working.
Maybe it's turned off right now.
Must be. Okay, well, just imagine this actually working.
Come inside and enjoy a universe of experiences.
Look at that.
You get hot, just want to.
just sit on the edge and stick your feet in. That's a great idea. And the Affinity pool, which is clear down there, you can see out if you stick your head into the water. Slides. There it is. Plunge of death.
Yeah,
It's kind of scary, huh?
it is. Look how thick this
Oh my gosh.
is.
It's hard to see, but that's straight down to the water, probably, I don't know, 150 feet, something like that. No, go ahead, you go too.
Going down the middle.
You're staying on the beams. You're supposed to walk on the glass part. Pretty scary.
Makes you want to run this part.
Now, can you imagine if you saw a crack coming? It's beautiful up here.
This whole time we were so close when we were in the whiskey bar.
We're in the observation lounge having a drink before our dinner, specialty dining at the Palomar, which is a seafood restaurant. Please don't mind my hair. It was under the helmet of the Speedway. We did the go-karts a little earlier. So, but it is our last night, and we're very sad that we have to get off the beautiful Norwegian Prima. So, until next time.